Hey, yes. It's your boy JMA. You know me. If you don't know me, get to know me. Check me on Instagram, JM Alien. Check me on Facebook, Jean Ali. Check me on LinkedIn, Jean-Marie Alien, Jean-Marie Alien. Today we're going to shoot a special video. I'm going to actually build an office desk. Yes. So yes, today I'm going to help my buddy Emmanuel build an office desk. So Emmanuel is the type of guy, who educates himself all the time. He does meditation, he does yoga. Several times I say, look, Emmanuel, I can help you, man. I can help you build a desk so you can put your desktop, your laptop on that desk and make it look very nice, presentable, and then, have place to put these papers. He actually agreed, which is what we're going to do today. I'm actually going to take the tools that I have, which is the saw, and you guys saw in the last video, which I actually borrowed from my good friend AJ. So I'm going to take those tools, take it to Emmanuel's. When we get there, we're going to jump into Emmanuel's car. We're going to Home Depot and after IKEA. Second version of building a desk, or office desk, that is, with JMA. So stay tuned, take the ride with me. So we're at Emmanuel's right now. All right. So this is my buddy Emmanuel. So we're gonna step in, and I'm gonna show you guys, what we have to work with. All right. This is Emmanuel's desk at the moment. 2 laptops and a desktop, also a printer. So this is the room where the desk is going to be. So this is the area where the actual desk is going to be, and this rest of the area is going to be basically the section where Emmanuel will be doing his meditation. It's going to be the frame, and this is going to be the top. Yes. You guys, we're going to build a desk, so we'll really show you guys the tools, the equipment that we have, and then we're going to build this desk. So we're gonna keep you guys posted throughout the scenes of different part of building this desk. So if you guys saw my first video, the one thing I talk about is always safety. So I have the glasses to cut. We only have one glasses, so I might be doing some glasses. This is yours actually. What? So Emmanuel's wearing jeans right now. Again, if you guys watch the first video, you will see that I really emphasize on being safe. So when we're doing the cut, we're using glass just in case. We're about to cut the first piece of wood. We're going to measure it. We are looking for a 60-inch. That's actually 5 feet, and that's about 152 centimeters. All right. So we're going to measure, mark it, and cut. 60. Alright, we'll just put the hand outside. Alright, so we just cut the 2 frame. We're about to cut the last piece to make the whole frame right now. So the length of the desk is going to be 60, and the width is going to be 32. You can put 2 laptop, desktop if you want, and any other stuff you want. Clean cut, yeah.
That's it.
Hey. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
There you go.
Just put me closer to you too. Okay. There you go.
But never actually do.
Yep.
Good?
Yeah. So alright, so this is the frame. Emmanuel's about to put the support for the leg, so you know the leg doesn't cave in right now. Continue.
Yeah.
Là?
Yes. That's it.
Alright, so guys, this is the frame. It looks great. It looks like it was done professionally. So now this is how we basically put the top. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Right there. Like that. And then we're going to put the second piece. And the reason we build it that way is just in case, you know, if Emmanuel decides to move and he wants to transport this office table with him, he can basically just take it apart and move it easily. With the support inside, you know, you can put any heavy items on this table and it's gonna support it. Looks awesome. I'm happy with the work. I'm happy with the end result. As you can see, what I like about this table is the two-tone. And as you can see, Emmanuel's quite happy. Hey guys, guess what? The office is finished. Oh my god, it looks really nice. The desk looks great. Emmanuel's actually in there right now. I don't know, I think it's just absorbing, you know, how nice the office look. Everything's in order. You guys gonna love it. So I hope you guys are ready for the reveal. All right, let's go. We are about to check the office right now. Emmanuel's in the office, so let's knock and see what's going on.
What's up?
What's up? Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this. I hope you guys are seeing this. This is the desk. Look at this desk. This is really nice. Like, I love the two tall.
Right now, it's not too big, not too small.
It's perfect size for this size room. For this room.
And this will be my place to work on my business.
That's right. Yes.
You know,
so if you guys don't know, Emmanuel has his online
I
store.
just built this online store.
What's the name of the online store?
Right there. You see it? Home Expedite.
All right.
That's it.
So this office not only for work but also for meditation. Try to give you guys an angle of all the corners of this office. So yeah, guys, this is the office, and it looks really nice. So you guys read it from yourself. He has his online store right now. Expedit, go support, and also coming with a YouTube channel sometime soon. But he will keep you posted for sure. And for me, you know where I'm at. Check me on Instagram, JM Ilien. Check me on Facebook, Jean Ali, and a YouTube channel. Obviously, you guys need to subscribe. JM-S channels. So support, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, building a desk for Emmanuel.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Awesome.
Look at that.
So we're at Emmanuel's right now, knocking, and then we're gonna start everything. Sweet. Yeah. On va commencer, mais ça manger? Mais non. Okay, yo, man, we're commencer. All right. So this is my buddy Emmanuel. This is the guy I was telling you. We're going to do the renovation right now. So I'm just at this place, guys. It's not even ready. So, well, we're gonna do what we gotta do. What?
You late?
Yo, bro, I got you. What the fuck, man? Fucking guy.
Okay, pause.
It's going to go.
Oh, yeah,
All right.
I was a couple.
All right, so we're gonna. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you what we have to work with. This is Emmanuel's desk at the moment. As you can see,
That's not my desk. That's my dining table.
okay, he said it. So, oh, the capote.